Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. The first thing we need to do is start MySQL shell. We do this with the MySQL sh command. In this demo, I'm connecting to a local MySQL instance and connecting with a user named Scott. We are also connecting directly to the schema named MySQL_shorts. To access the Document Store API, we need to run MySQL shell in JavaScript mode. Fortunately, this is the default mode when MySQL shell is started. Now that MySQL shell is started in JavaScript mode, and we are connected to our database, let's view the list of Document Store collections on our server. Before we do that, note the message that states the default schema, MySQL_shorts, is accessible through a variable named db. This means any commands we run that start with db dot will be executed against our default schema. To get the list of Document Store collections in our schema, we run the command db.getCollections. As you can see, we only have a single collection named restaurant. This is the collection we'll be using in this demo. Before we start, let's talk about what the bind method does. We never want to pass user input to the database without parameterizing the data first. In a nutshell, parameterization tells the database what I'm giving you is a string or other data type. Treat it that way. This helps mitigate hacks from SQL injection. We're going to use the same examples from episode 11. In this example, we get documents where the cuisine property is equal to bakery. But instead of passing the string bakery to the find method, we pass a parameter name. The name of this parameter is cuisine param. When using parameters in a call to find, we preface the name with a colon. We are also going to call the bind method. The bind method takes two arguments: the name of the parameter, without a colon, and the value. Here we are using the parameter cuisine param and the value bakery. When we run this command, we can see that we get 691 documents. If we need to use multiple parameter names, such as in this example, where we are using cuisine param and borrow param, we would make multiple calls to the bind method. You can see that in our second call to bind, we pass in the parameter name borrow param and the value Bronx. When we run this command, we see that 71 documents are returned. In our last example, we will add a third parameter, named name param, and a third call to bind. The new parameter is being used in a like statement. When we call bind for the third time, we are passing in the parameter name and the value $%, which means we're looking for documents where the name, in lowercase, starts with the letter P, and also is a bakery in the Bronx. When we run this command, we see that 7 documents are returned. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.